Hi guys, I did another red onion, garlic, and apple cider vinegar hair treatment, and I wanted to look further to find out what I could find to help hide the stench of the garlic and the onion in this hair treatment, since people let it be known that I smell like onions and garlic. So what I had found out is that you can get ginger root. That's what this is. And this is bigger, but I took the really large piece. It was about the same size as both of these put together and juiced it. I use a juicer to get my juice. But you can use like a food processor or a blender or a bullet thing, and you'll be able to get your mixture out of that. So I used ginger root from this very piece of ginger, juiced it up, put it in my hair, left it on for about 45 minutes. You could leave it on longer if you wanted to, and then I just rinsed it out. And one of the things that you don't want to do is don't use shampoo after every treatment, and certainly not before. It's going to dry out your scalp. And the sebum, which is the natural oils that come out of your hair follicles to keep your hair protected, will dry out, and it's not going to be good. So whatever you do, don't shampoo your hair every day. You can still do these hair treatments, but shampoo, try to cut it down to once a week, and always use cold water, because that's going to help those follicles and those pores to close up, because when you put cold on the skin, it just shrinks it down, and it's just going to hang on tight to those hairs. And then when you use warm water, it just opens up everything, and that's not so good. Some people have good genetics, and no matter what they do, they're going to have anywhere from 2 to 5 to 10 hairs per follicle, and their hair is going to be massively thick and many times very long and healthy. But some of us, especially as we get a little bit older, sometimes we need a little extra help, especially if we've done damage to it, like hair coloring. The black is actually fading, so I'm looking forward to getting rid of that at some point. But I just wanted to make this video and just share some information that my hair actually smells pretty good. So it smells good to me, but we'll see when my roommates start coming in saying, "Oh my god, you smell janky." Let's see what happens.